Hello everybody and welcome to the Blind Bartender YouTube channel. My name is Jordan. I'm blind in one eye, legally blind with the state. It's pretty cool. But I like to make drinks. So this channel, I'm going to be going over a ton of different drink recipes. I'm going to go over infusing alcohols with tons of different fruits. It's going to be very interesting. One recipe I wanted to discuss first off on this channel was simple syrup. Simple syrup is a base for a lot of the drinks I'm making here. Now I'm going to show you how to make it in this video so you know when I talk about simple syrup in the future, this is how you make it. So if you'll come over here to the stove. I've got a regular small pan over here. I've got a cup of water, half a cup of water, and I'm gonna pour that straight in the pan. I'm gonna get my half a cup of sugar, and I'm gonna pour it straight in the pan. Now we're making a big bubble with the recipe we're using this for today, and that is gonna be covered in a later video. So what you're gonna wanna do is get this at a boil. We've just moved into this new kitchen, guys. You'll have to forgive me for my ignorance with the stove. Ooh, that is very high. And then what you're gonna wanna do while this is cooking is make sure to stir it, because that sugar will stick to the pan and that sugar will burn, and you do not want that. Gets all over the pan, it's just horrible to clean. So as it's cooking, you're gonna wanna stir it and wait for it to be at a boil. We'll be back when it's at a boil and we'll show you what we're left with. Back, and we got our simple syrup at a full burn. We had to switch burners, as I said, brand new kitchen. So we're gonna go ahead and turn off the flame. And we're gonna set this aside. Now you could save this in a jar in your fridge for later on, but we're gonna end up using this for a recipe right now, which will be covered in a later video. So this is how you make simple syrup. I hope you enjoy this channel. Please subscribe for more videos and give this video a like. Comment what infusions you would like to see or what drinks you would like to see. Thank you for watching. Bye.